Can we have the profile of Mr. Ebin is an HIM professional, has served 40 years in Jibmer Hospital in a number of relevant positions, and he has played a major role in establishing HIM program in Jibmer and instrumental in the success of medical records education program established in Jibmer. He presently supports HIRAI as a joint secretary and provide medical record consultancy service. Mr. Ebin has received Life Achievement National Award in Medical Records Management and previously achieved several accolades in the profession. His passion is medical records, HIM training and networking, and regularly attending Medricon and other professional conferences in India and abroad. Welcome, Mr. Ebin.
I served in Jipmer in last 40 years in my service, and normally Jipmer is one of the best medical college in India. Every year the medical record technician and medical record officer program also going on under the care of the CBHI. Yesterday and today 25 people came from Jipmer Hospital and attending this conference. That is a unique privilege, and I met frequently and talked to director and medical superintendent and my officer. He recommended, because government decision sometimes is a very tough decision to send the participants. In the meantime, I am very grateful to Dr. Kanagaratnam, is an officer in charge in medical records department, and Dr. Ananda Raju and Dr. Anita is the officer in charge of medical records. These people gave the full coordination base. 25 people came from Jipmer and taken the training from this place for 2 days also. Mr. Lechumanan and Mrs. Indumadi, a demonstrator and supervisor, came from Jipmer with medical record technician and medical record officer trainees coordination also. Today I am very privileged to share this subject. Actually, yesterday and today we talked so much in the HIM information. Today I am sharing the very practical subject in our personal management. I served in 40 years. Actually, my office working hours in 8 o'clock work start means I was in 6:30 or 7 o'clock. That is my unique and integrity in my hospital. After 4 o'clock finished, and I will go to 8:30 or 9 o'clock will go my home. This is the way I worked in the 40 years in the Jipmer Hospital. After retiring also, another 3 years, please come to work in voluntary basis and do something the consultant, but one time retired. That's the way I am not willing to work in the Jipmer. Now I am a medical record consultant at the national level. I am a joint secretary of Health Record Association. We start the time management. Now is a very technology world. All people using in the WhatsApp and something. I'm an entire different person. Until now, I'm using the very small phone in my day-to-day office. And every day I'm writing this paper and I'm planning all. Because medical records management is the foundation of manual management. Manual is the process of medical records ethics. Day by day, what work I do, something and writing, and do the plan base. Last year, same year, I received the 3 national awards in medical records. I'm a very simple person. I'm not a big person, but I'm a very practical person. That's the way I'm sharing with you. Because medical record, previously medical record was the store room. Now is a brain of the hospital. People forget and record remember. Anyway, HIM information is okay, but 2 days we observed in so many fantastic information collected, at the same time how to work out in our practical Indian scenario. That's a very, very important process. And in the meantime, day by day, I am maintaining the very system diary in my life. Every day what work will do and how to work, and because this is a mechanical world now. In the meantime, I am not blaming anything. The WhatsApp communication are very best telephone, but day by day I am maintaining this size of planning management in my life. This is the foundation of success. And Nitya Kirubagaran sir also told me so many times and motivated me. And Dr. Mowgli sir was my guru. And really I appreciate your excellent intention, and especially I am thanked to Mujib. How to select my paper, I don't know, because I am a very simple person. I submitted my paper not for ask anything. In the meantime, he gave the email, and your paper is a global improvement. Definitely, I am very happy to welcome you. But what is the secret and confidential, I don't know. I am a very practical person, very, very practical in the paper management. And now it's a sophisticated India, world level in the infrastructure, in the IT. At the same time, I'm presenting the basic foundation, and I'm sharing with you, this is very important process of our management. Just please come, brother. First, this is a first channel. It's not working properly. I'm just using this. First channel. Time is the most valuable commodity. We use it in this way.
Oh, yeah. Time is the most.
This is the way.
Oh, this is the way I got it.
Yeah. Okay, how to do this?
Yeah, send them. Next.
Time is the most valuable commodity. Time management is a self-management, self-discipline. If you want to manage your time better, you must learn manage yourself. Time management characters in health records: sense of purpose, listening, facilitative, competent, and confident. Time strategy: planning, evaluation, and delegation. This is the three strategies in our day-to-day affairs. We will succeed in all activities in our day-to-day management. Every medical records department should have a satisfactory system to obtain the medical records of all discharged patients, preferably within 24 hours of discharge. Someone should check the discharge list and see if all the records have been delivered to the department. Any missing record should be traced as early as possible. Maintain incoming register. Till now we maintain the incoming register. Daily what records will go out and come inside, we maintain the register, including medico-legal case records also. Sometimes missing the medical record case in the casualty, nobody not taken any responsibility. In the meantime, every medico-legal records come to our hospital. We maintain the incoming register in medical records department. Any records came from the casualty in inside and easy to verify. Sometimes hospital number is not there, immediately tell, and we go and search in the casualty. Medical record case is in the trolley only. There's so many happening in the hospital. That's the way we maintain the incoming register. Discharge summary to be attached in the outpatient health record. This is a mandatory. Time to time, be saved and patients to be benefited. People forget, record, remember. File the medical record. The file records have to be retrieved promptly on request and avoid misfiling. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Planning. Planning involves forming an objective and describing goals and methods to achieve it. It is the preparation involved so as to do the right thing in the right way, the right place, the right time, and the right result. Benefits of planning: to save the time, to avoid confusion, to control events, to make use of most of the resources. How to plan? This is our day-to-day process. Set our objectives, set our clear goals, list of effective methods, write our plans clearly, follow our plans. Make a schedule, make a priority list. Daily priority list we maintain. That's the way I am showing this my paper for your kind reference. You proceed to way like this. I am not telling anything, but whatever you deal it in this direction is a very brightful future in our future activities. List all things to be done what way, rearrange in order of priority, do them in that order. Evaluation. Periodic evaluation of ourselves as medical record personnel is helpful for developing right goals. To become what we should do and achieve what we should do, evaluation will reveal how effective our planning is, where adjustment has to be made. 3 years before, we conducted the Medricon conference at Coimbatore. That time, David Seeley coordinated the program. He's the first lady coordinator, and program went on well with excellent plan, input and output also. That is our important process for our brainstorm methodology for the multiplication process. Time resources in health record regarding quality and regarding quantity. Delegation, giving assignment, state end result first, explain the task clearly, write it down. Our medical record officer trainee is sitting in the front side. One time he came and studied for the medical record officer course and fell down, and right leg is fractured. In the meantime, I handled the class. But I told, don't worry, you come and attend the class and you do your level best. And now he is a senior medical record officer in government central institution. Anyway, we do it for the delegation to other people come to forward and work like this. So many second stage leadership will come and our motivation will be strengthened. Give authority. Let the person know his responsibility and scope of authority. Sir also sitting there is a senior lawyer, sir, but he is content with very good medical record subject. Anytime he asks the question in any scenario, means authority. Delegation and authority is a very important quality of our multiplicational leadership. That's very important. Give accountability. Give time, financial, resource limitations. Person must know who he is responsible, follow through at end, know your people and delegate to the right person. I joined the duty in 1978. First I received Mr. Jagannathan sir. He received nicely in the reception and met Dr. Mowgli. He was my motivator. That's the way, till now my journey is going to end in the goal setting with a simplicity manner, not for advertisement frame. That is the foundation of my life. My age is now is in 65. Till now I'm working young to move in the national level, and recently 30 hospitals I trained in the practical way without any expecting the amount. This is the great service and foundation in the medical records. Delegate with love. Remember, please, thank you. Anything commit some mistakes, easy to ask for thank you. Delegate to develop, and delegate without anger, bitterness and partiality. That's the one. Mr. Kesora working in the Gadak, near in the Belgaum, he was my student. Recently we went there and given the training in the very research area. He motivated me and he gave the training. That training was fantastic, and grassroots level training people came forward and did the marvelous. Now he's working on the multiplication process in the Gadak. That's a way delicate to develop, delicate without anger, bitterness and partiality. When the delicate, when you are overworked, when people received challenging and developing. Hindrance of the delegation. Every day we check our day-to-day activities, input and output. The desire of the power, emotional insecurity, inability to accept our own limitations, tradition, we always did this way, lack of confidence others, afraid of risk of mistakes, pride. No one can do the job as well I can. Time leading. Leading a meeting conducting a meeting with confidence, being able to stick to agenda and time frames, ability to remain focused, ability to bring discussions to logical conclusion are all extremely difficult, and I'll call for specialized skills. Some guidelines in conducting and leading a meeting are: state the purpose of the meeting, distribute an agenda and my pertinent information, create an environment that encourages communication by reducing distractions. For maximum interaction among participants, a circular table works best. Make sure that the room is clean and the temperature is appropriate. When the meeting begins, and it must begin on time, introduce new participants, state the purpose, and refer to the agenda. This campus, yesterday I came 7 o'clock. Today also I came in 7 a.m. All session I attended the regular way. This is my process. That's the way we maintain in our line, do something the multiplication in our life today. Adhere to the preconceived timeline. Keep the discussion going by asking questions, paraphrasing unclear comments, pass information that some participants may not have, order for refreshments, find out what is usually served, and order those items. It is also the leader's responsibility to bring participants who digress back to the topic under consideration. Be able to handle any conflicts and be ready to step in and resolve any misunderstanding. At the end of the meeting, leaders should summarize the group's major decisions or plans, review the assignments of tasks. Be appreciative of the time and energy extended by each member. After the meeting, a leader should ensure that minutes are prepared and distributed as soon as possible, that participants are completing their agreed upon task. Really, I appreciate our chairman. Time to time, give the signal. I am also sticking on the time management. It's very important process. I am online. Conclusion. Periodic systematic evaluation is absolutely essential to effective management. As a good manager, one must provide the department with the resources and tools it requires. The department administrator must involve supervisory people and the entire staff in the quality assurance effort. We are evaluating ourselves. What are our problems? How can we improve our perspectives, etc.? The side benefits of improved moral, greater teamwork, and higher level of trust are also very worthwhile. Till now, I am remembering in Dr. Mowgli sir. I joined in 1978. 6 o'clock, he came to the office. I came 6:30, and we worked together and do the process. Till now, he is an example model for medical records field. Recently, he wrote a big book for the top to bottom medical development also. I'm not pricing anything. Sir also, I received so many examples. That's the way we work together to do something for the medical records kingdom. Medical records kingdom will be glorified in our day-to-day profession. It is not the days of your life, but the life in your days that counts. How long you live is not the question, but how you live your days is important. This is the method of management techniques.
Thank you for the excellent presentation, Mr. Ebin.